Step 1. Select the ellipse tool. Step 2. Go to the Effects panel and click plus. This adds a default drop shadow. Step 3. Click the sun icon to open settings. You can change X, left/right, and Y, up/down. Adjust the blur to make it softer. You can even change the shadow color. Done.